So weekly advisor movements, 3rd of June 2021. Now, if you haven't done so already, please download the abridged landscape report of 2020. You can go to pro.advisorratings.com.au, go to the market research section there. And thanks again to Vanguard for sponsoring this year, a long-term client of Advisor Ratings. You'll find some really good intelligence for practice principals and advisors in that report. So this week was all about the MLC transaction, particularly the internal moves going on between Garvan, Consultum, Bridges and the like. So we've smoothed out the switches this week, so only left with the raw numbers outside of the internal switching that's going on at IOOF at the moment. So ceased of 106, switches of 29 and new of 3, giving a net loss number of 103. The year-to-date number of 19,874 is 800 down from the start of the year. Shout out to the switches. So Glenn going from Bridges to Oreana, Satendra from Blue Ocean to Philip Alexander's Sambe Investments, and Daniel Schulz moving from AMP to Bridges. So congratulations, everyone. Biggest gains this week, WPFP Group, 3 advisors coming across from Hillross. Sentry and Oreana there, 3 advisors, all coming across from Bridges, and Australian Unity, 6 new advisors. Biggest losses this week, again, it was defined by the MLC transaction. Together, financial planning, 6 advisors lost under that license. GPS Wealth, 6 accountants under GPS. Hillross, 9 advisors. AMP, we had 9 net advisors, now sitting at 734. And Bridges and Garvan, the 2 big outliers this week. So Bridges 10 and Garvan 42. No doubt we'll see some of those Garvan advisors end up in new homes, but at the moment they're ceased on the financial advice register. So that's it for the week. Please join me again next week.